9 student, this is continuation of that previous video. Now we were in the DVD RAM. Okay, DVD RAM, as I said, digital versatile disk random access memory, DVD RAM. Now we will see what are the uses and all. Okay, instead of a single spiral track, they use number of concentric tracks. The use of concentric tracks allows simultaneous read and write operations to take place. Now, as I said, concentric track, as many tracks you are seeing on the disk, the capacity of storing the data is increasing. Capacity of storing the data is increasing, and you can read it and rewrite it again and again. And as I said, it can remain for 30 years, which makes them an ideal for archiving. DD-RAMs can be written to and read from many times. Okay, the recording layer is made from similar phase changing material as used in read-write technology. When writing, a laser hits the phase changing alloy on the disk about 500 degrees Celsius to 700 degree, changing the reflective properties from shiny to dull. If the disk needs to be erased, a laser hits to the surface about 200 degree. Now if you want to erase whatever the written in it, it has to be hit to the surface at 200 degrees Celsius. 200 degrees Celsius to return the disk to its original shiny state. A low power laser is used to read the written mark on the surface. The shiny and dull marks represent data to a computer where they are interrupted. Now, okay, we will see what are the uses of it. Okay, in recording devices such as satellite receives to allow simultaneous recording and playback. Now, if you see, now somebody's astronaut has gone on in a space. Okay, he wants to record whatever he is seeing on in this space. He will record it. He'll store it in secondary storage media. Again, he will delete it and he will record something else. He will do it for as many times he wants. That is DVD RAM. Digital versatile disk, read random access memory. He will do it for as many times he wants. Used in camcorders to store movies. Now, even a camera recorders. Camcorders means camera recorders. Camcorders means camera recorders. You can store the data in this, store the movie. Once it is stored, you will upload in your computer or your laptop. You will delete that CD, you will store some other picture from another laptop, and you will store it in your laptop and computer. And whatever now we will discuss about the advantages. Okay, they have a long life, estimated 30 years minimum life. 30 years, that is also minimum. Maximum it can go to 40 to 50 years. It is possible to do rewrite operation over 100,000 times. Compare this to the read write format, which only allows about 1,000 rewrites. You can do it 1,000 time rewrite. Writing on DVD RAM is very reliable. They have inbuilt verification software, so the accuracy of the data is ensured. Very fast access. If the files are fairly small, if it is small, okay, the files are small, it is you can access very fast. It will not take longer time to store it, upload it. No need to finalize the disk. Very large capacity, about 10 GB if double-sided format I is used. If this format is used, double-sided format I is used, then you can store up to 10 GB. 10 GB memory it has. 10 GB memory it has. They offer the ability to read data at the same time as the data is being written. They offer the ability to read data at the same time. Now they will allow you to read also, and they will allow you to read also and delete it, and they will allow you to write also. Data in being written. Now there are some disadvantages also. Let us discuss what are the disadvantages. Disadvantages are not as compatible as R or rewrite format. Some systems won't recognize the DVD RAM format. Now see, if your computer is pretty older version, not that older version but older version, then it will not accept your DVD RAM. This DVD will accept. It needs pretty good quality of computer or laptops. Relatively expensive, about 4 times the cost of DVD read-write disk. They have been suppressed by newer technologies such as solid state memories. They have been suppressed by newer technology. Now SSD card is used, so it is pretty expensive. SSD card is used, solid state drive. Okay, so these are the advantages, disadvantages, and about DVD RAM. See, I will ask you in the exam what are the advantages and disadvantages of the DVD RAM. And about this lesson, listen, about this lesson I will share you what are the filling the blanks, true and false, and question answers, and whatever what will come in the exam, everything I will share you on your computer. Okay, I will share you all this list. You have to copy in your book. Students, don't forget to copy everything in your book, notebooks. Okay, and take the pictures and send it to me. Okay students, now we are going to learn about Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc. What is Blu-ray disc? It is another storage device. Blu-ray disc is another storage device. Just a moment, students.